Hello and welcome back. You're watching Raw Gadget. You're probably wondering why I'm outside today. Well, today we're making a massive fluffy slime. It's gonna be amazing. And I'm sure you probably remember from last time where I spilt stuff on the floor. Yeah, so my mum said I'm not allowed to use the house anymore for making slime. So here we've got all the different stuff here. We've got the glue, got the contact lens solution, and we've got Nivea shaving gel. Probably got a little bit carried away with that. And I've got three colours here. We've got orange, black and pink. I'm not sure how much colour we're going to need, but we'll see. Alright, so first off, we're going to empty all the glue out into, do you know what? We're going to empty the glue out into here. I'm not sure how much of it's going to fit. We're going to put as much as we can.
Okay, this is quite a lot more glue than I was expecting.
Okay, now we're going to start putting in loads and loads of shaving foam. So here we go. Alright guys, I'm starting to panic a little bit. So I've just noticed, I bought 2 bottles of shaving foam and the rest of them are shaving gel, and I don't even know if shaving gel works. But look, shaving gel, cooling shaving gel. Why didn't I read this when I was buying it? Well, I don't know if this is going to work now or not, but I mean, we're here now, so we might as well carry on trying. So let's get spraying. Tell me, how nice does this look? This is genuinely taking so long. I wish some of you lot could come and help me right now. Obviously you'll be watching this in the future, but by the way, tell me what the future is like. I don't know how much to use, but we've used all those cans over there, and here we are. Whoa, it's blue. Look at that. Oh crap. Oh, so look, that's the cooling shaving gel, that one there. Okay, I'll see you guys in a few hours when we're done.
One eternity later.
Look at how that looks now. And now we're going to start adding some of the Optrex multi-action eye wash. So let's see how this goes. We've got 2 bottles here. We've got some spares in our box of slime down there, but let's see how this goes. So I'm not sure how much of this to add, but I remember when we were making it last time we had to add a drop by drop, but we've got loads more slime here. So what I'm going to do is a few bottles there, and now let's get mixing.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, look at this. Why is it growing? Look at this. Excuse the brick on the table, but look at this. It's coming over the edges and I'm not touching it. It's even leaking down the side. Mum, if you're watching this, I swear it wasn't me, it was him. And look at this, he's kindly offered to help mix it because he sees me suffering. Offered. Been out here for like 10 minutes. Alright, so this is my little brother Sajjad. Well, I say little brother, he's actually my younger brother because he's not little anymore because he's taller than me. Go on then mate, carry on mixing. While we're waiting for him to, mix the slime and everything, I'm going to show you what else I got from Tesco's while I was there buying 8 cans of men's Nivea shaving foam, even though as you can see I barely use shaving foam, but obviously some chocolate bourbons. Also got some Maryland, who doesn't love a bit of cookies, and obviously some of that Nutella. I just want to find out if it's possible to make some sort of edible Nutella slime. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below. Also, I came across this, alright? So this is one of the weirdest things I've seen. Usually colourful things that I catch in, but it was the fact that this had no colour that caught my eye. But I was just really curious, are the Skittles inside here going to be colourful, or are they going to be completely white? Let's find out. Right, so here we go, I'm going to cut that. Moment of truth. And they're white, but on it still says, give the rainbow a taste aroma. It's so random, white Skittles. Hey, watch it, if I do this. No, that was so close. Wait. Yeah, wait. Right, one more. You're dead. No, I won't, I swear. Third one. Pull up. It's running this one. Hey, there we go. Oh my god, and the slime is still mega sticky. So what we're gonna do, gonna add some more solution to that, and hopefully, as you saw there, I did exactly 52 milliliters. That was perfectly measured out, and mix that in. Look at how much slime we've got now. Uh-oh. Crap, I got it on the knife. Oh look, I got 2 knife ticks. Look, one there. Oh crap, how am I gonna even get that off? I'm kind of stuck here because, as you can see, it's still a bit sticky. So what we're going to do is we're going to go live on Instagram and get your guys' opinions. If you don't follow us on Instagram, it's just like that. It's at Raw Gadget. You'll find us online. Make sure you give us a like and follow our page as well. Alright, and now we're going to go live on Instagram. Hello, and welcome back to Raw Gadget's live stream. Today, we're here for a different reason, alright? I'm going to wait for some. Alright, so we've ended the Instagram live stream now, and your guys' comments was to add all the colours together. Well, that's what a lot of people said. Right, there we've got quite a bit of orange. I'm gonna add a bit of pink. And now some black, which is an interesting colour. We'll see how it goes. Oh my god. A bit there and a bit there. Alright, so I'm assuming black's gonna be a strong colour, and I've put quite a bit. So let's see how this turns out. Oh, my hands are stuck! They're not coming out. I'm stuck here forever. Right, sorry, that was a bit dry. Right, so we decided to put a bit of cling film on it just to see how sticky it is. I'll peel it from this side. Oh my god. Okay, and I have no idea what to do with this. This is like, got cling film and slime in it. Oh, actually, I've got an idea. You saw nothing. Alright, so the colours that we used are a bit weak, so we're going to add loads more of it. Alright, so now we've got a third person now helping make this slime. Don't! Oh, you cut me! Look, you cut me. I'm joking. Alright, watch. How sick does that look? How satisfying is that? Candy floss. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's still really sticky even after mixing it for, or kneading it for ages. So I've been recommended to add some of that into it. So we're going to add some bicarbonate of soda. Don't know how much to add, but that looks like a sufficient amount. I think that might just be a bit too much, but there's only one way to find out. I've added some more activator, and hopefully now the slime will become less stickier. I hope you guys enjoyed that ASMR little section there. So just look how much slime I've got there. I have to keep moving it around, otherwise it's going to start pouring out my hand. Look at that, yeah? And I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I think the subscribe button should be around there somewhere in that side of the screen. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment below what you want us to do in our next video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you guys later. Good night.